Recently, Canva just had its major event, which is the Canva Creates event.
We truly believe that no matter your income, no matter your experience, no matter your background, we fundamentally believe that everyone, everywhere, should be empowered to design.
So many updates were announced and I'm actually very excited about them. I want to be able to talk about all of them, but I can't do that in a single video. So the first one we are going to be touching on is Magic Design, which is the first update they actually announced. So how can you use this, and let's see how this whole thing works. So the first thing you need to do is to click on create a design, and you should see the option to import a file. So this is the file I want to import, so make sure to click on add to a template. So you can see Canva is trying to create something for us, but to customize this, what you need to do is to click on headline and add anything over here. And what I'm going to just say is Mondays are for special ice cream, then click add to results. So you can see it's been updated over here. But that's not all. You can also choose among the styles over here, and the other thing you can also do is to select the category. So we can choose any of these categories at all. I would go for flyer, and we can see the number of options over here. So how does this sound to you? This sounds so amazing to me, and it's actually mind-blowing. I hope you'll be using this, and let me know what you think in the comment section below, and please make sure to double tap.